How to connect your Trios system to unique Straumann services. In order to connect your Trios scanner to Unique, you go to the More menu on the top left corner of your screen and select the system setting. The very first step before requesting any lab connection, you need to go into your user menu and save your 3Shape Communicate account for this system, as this is a prerequisite to connecting to any lab, including Straumann Unique. If the Communicate account is already existing or installed, you go to Connections and select Labs to add our new lab service, Unique. Search the lab manually by typing in the email address provided by your local Straumann representative, unique.eu@straumann.com for Europe. You will see the Unique icon appearing on your list of lab partners, but it will be grayed out as long as the connection is not confirmed by the Unique case management team. So the cases cannot be sent out without this confirmation, which will take a couple of minutes. Click on Refresh, right top of your screen, and you will see your system synchronizing your Communicate account. As soon as you see the lab with the icon in full colors, the connection is confirmed, and you can start to send your cases to Unique Straumann by clicking the patient's icon at top left. You will be asked by the system to confirm your changes. Click on Yes, and you can directly start to enter a new case.